Hey guys, today's wine text is the 2014 Coelho Winery Paciencia Estate Pinot Noir. So the Coelho family started their estate in the Willamette Valley back in 2004, and they've been farming the vineyards ever since. This is their main estate vineyard. It's about 26 acres of Pinot Noir from a couple different clones from Burgundy. In Willamette Valley, a lot of people tend to buy their fruit from different places and not actually farm it, and then they just kind of press it and make it. That's not the case here. They're farmers and then they're winemakers after that. Paciencia is patience. Obviously they mean that they want the wine to be held a little bit longer. This is a 2014, so it's had a little bit of time to bottle age, and it should be great right now, so let's see how it is. Super perfumed on the nose. You get a little bit of that kind of jammed fruit, a little bit of kind of that preserved cherry, cranberry aspect, and a lot of kind of crushed rose, a lot of violet in there as well. Tons of kind of mushroom and underbrush, a little bit of herb in there as well. Super well balanced, super well put together. Like I said, it's got a little bit of bottle age, so it's really had time to integrate. Tons of acidity in there as well. I mean, my mouth is really watering. Super well put together. I would pair this with kind of either red meat or probably poultry and roast chicken is a little bit better. Something kind of more down the middle, as it's actually pretty medium bodied as opposed to a lot of Willamette wines that can be a little bit more full. I'd say this is more kind of a Burgundian style, a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more focused on the secondary and tertiary notes and aromatics here. But altogether, a beautiful wine from an epic vintage. So I hope you guys enjoy this one.